Okay, here we are. Kelsey's back from camping. She's been gone about 2 weeks. We're about to enter the house, and her puppy hasn't seen her in 2 weeks, and it's going to be very apparent exactly who owns this puppy and how excited he gets when he sees her. Hawk is being crate trained, so he still has occasionally his little accidents, although he's getting better. But I'm sure when he sees Kelsey today when we enter, we're probably going to have an accident. But this video will be worth it. So, with that said, I am going to open the house and we're going to go visit Hawk. Here we go. And we're entering the house. And get the alarm. And let's go see our little boy. Hi, Hawk. Hi, Hawk. There's our puppy. You looking at me, Hawk. Guess who I brought home to you? Guess who's here? Hawk. Guess who's here? Guess who Mommy is? Ready? Come on out, Kels. Come on out. Here's the puppy. Here's the puppy. We're going to have a piddle fest. Okay, you better let your puppy out. Let your puppy out. Stay on the floor. Stay right on the floor there. No, not on the rug. Not the rug. The floor. Sit still. Sit down on the floor. Sit down on the floor.
Don't tackle me. Down, boy, down.
Sit down. I can't.
There you go.
Here you go.
Okay, ow. Okay, furball.
Let them give you kisses.
Kisses and kisses.
Let them give you kisses.
Okay, we get the point, Hawk. Okay.
Aww.
Okay.
Is he excited to see you or what?
Okay, down. Boy, down.
Aww. Give him a big hug.
No.
Give him a big hug. Oh, he's knocking the camera out of my hand. He's happy I brought you home to him. Ah, good boy, good boy, good boy.
You happy?